Why do so many beginners buy an expensive camera and then go right back to using their phone within a month? It's not because they lack passion, it's because they picked the wrong camera. Something too complicated, too bulky, or just not built for someone starting out. And that's such a shame, because the right camera can completely change how you see the world, how you capture memories, and honestly, how seriously you start taking photography as a skill. So today, I'm walking you through 5 beginner-friendly cameras. Cameras that actually make learning enjoyable instead of frustrating. Stick around, because number 1 might be the exact camera that turns your hobby into a genuine passion. And yes, every single link is right there in the description below. Let's get into it. Starting at number 5, the Canon EOS R100. This camera strips away unnecessary complexity and focuses on what actually matters for beginners. Simplicity and image quality. It's lightweight, easy to hold for hours, and the menu system feels genuinely approachable, rather than overwhelming. Autofocus performs reliably for everyday shooting. Whether that's family gatherings, casual outings, or your first attempts at portraits, it won't dazzle you with flashy specs. But that's exactly the point. This camera lets you focus on learning composition and lighting, instead of drowning in confusing settings. A fantastic low-pressure entry point into interchangeable lens photography. At number 4, the Nikon Z30 steps in as a fantastic hybrid option, especially if content creation interests you alongside photography. This camera shines with its flip-out screen, making vlogging and self-recording remarkably intuitive. Autofocus stays smooth and reliable, even when tracking moving subjects, like pets or kids running around. It's compact enough to slip into a small bag. Yet the image quality punches well above its beginner-friendly price tag. If you're someone who wants to explore both photography and video without buying 2 separate devices, this camera bridges that gap beautifully. Coming in at number 3, the Fujifilm X-T30 II. This brings something beginners rarely expect this early. Genuine creative control, paired with stunning color science. Fujifilm's film simulation modes let you experiment with different moods and tones, straight out of camera, which honestly makes learning feel more like play than homework. The retro dial-based design might seem intimidating initially, but it actually teaches you the fundamentals of exposure. Faster than menu-based systems. Image quality here feels noticeably more advanced than typical entry-level cameras, making this an excellent choice for beginners who plan on growing quickly into more serious photography. At number 2, the Sony ZV-E10 II. This earns its spot by focusing heavily on ease of use, without sacrificing performance. Autofocus tracking feels almost effortless, locking onto faces and eyes with impressive consistency. The background defocus button is a clever touch, letting beginners instantly achieve that blurred, professional-looking background with a single press. It's lightweight, intuitive, and clearly designed with content creators and photography beginners in mind. Simultaneously, battery life holds up well throughout long shooting days, and the overall learning curve feels remarkably gentle. This camera quietly builds confidence with every shot you take. And finally, taking the top spot, the Canon EOS R50. This camera strikes an almost perfect balance between simplicity and genuine creative potential. Autofocus performance feels shockingly advanced for a beginner camera, confidently tracking subjects, even in trickier lighting situations. The touchscreen interface guides new users naturally, explaining settings in plain language. Instead of confusing jargon, image quality remains sharp and vibrant across various lighting conditions, giving beginners plenty of room to experiment and grow their skills over time. If you want one camera that grows alongside your learning curve without needing an upgrade anytime soon, this is genuinely the smartest place to start. So that wraps up our top 5 beginner-friendly cameras worth considering this year. Which one fits your photography journey best? Let me know in the comments. I read every single one. All the product links are sitting right there in the description box. Ready whenever you decide to take the leap. If this video helped guide your decision, smash that like button. Subscribe for more beginner-friendly gear breakdowns, and I'll see you in the next video.